everyone. I hope you are doing well. Do you want to create AI generated images and enjoy them with your friends? In this video, I will show you how to create your images in ChatGPT app. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. So first we will go to ChatGPT. As you see in this window, you'll find this first page like this here, this first page of create images, learn something, write or edit, step by step help. So to create your images, of course you will go to this window of create images as you see, and you will enter here. After that, you'll find this page of try a style or an image. So you can choose any style you want. For example, this New Fantasy, Norman, Rockwell. There is a trending styles here that you will find. You can use any style you want for your pictures. Also here, if you want to discover something new, for example, if you want to create your images but by your describing, you can tell to ChatGPT what you want exactly without using available styles like this. You can try your own. You can try creating your own style here in this page, as you see, and you can choose any category you want. So if you want to start with this available style, you can go for example to this and you can choose it. After that, you'll find here choose a photo to get started. You can choose your photo or take a selfie. For example, here choose your photo, then you will choose this for example, and ChatGPT will give you this description of this photo, and here you will wait a moment until it's created. So as you see here, your photo or picture, it will be ready, and then you will enter here and you can click on save if you want to save it to your device. So that's it. That's how you can create images on the application of ChatGPT step by step. So if you enjoy watching this video and if this video helped you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.